Yes, my name is Leek, and I'm the director of Fruit Fly Collective. And we're a team of scientists and clinicians and artists and designers that have come together to improve the public's understanding around cancer. And many of our projects involve supporting families, particularly children where the parents have cancer. So many people believe that we shouldn't talk to children about cancer for fear of upsetting them or making them feel frightened. But in reality, that's quite naive, because children as young as 7, 8 have already accumulated a lot of information around them. So I'm going to play the next slide, and these are answers given by children aged 9 to 12. Over 1,000 of them we asked when we did our school project. We asked them, what do they think causes cancer? Any sound?
One more click.
What am I going to do?
One more click.
Oh, one more click. One.
I think cancer is caused by McDonald's locations, German pizza, eggs, expired food, more prescription toilets, sitting on a toilet, room standard, vital short, not washing your hands, kissing, too much stress, armpit spray, towels, toxics from feces, animal bites, ink, plant eaters, watching body parts, people getting too useless. Microbacteria that fly into your mouth and zap your gut and kidneys and everything.
So I think this really illustrates that actually we need to involve them in the conversations, because we need to give them the platform so we can then address these misunderstandings. So our project, the rationale is that there's a lot of research out there. Parents have reported that they feel unsupported around their family needs and talking to their children. They don't know what words to use, they don't know how to start those initial difficult conversations when they've been diagnosed with cancer. We also know that many studies have shown that children affected by parental cancer are at high risk of developing psychosocial problems such as withdrawal, irrational guilt, depression, etc. And we also know that good family communication is key to having positive well-being on both the children and the adults. And this is for various reasons, such as it reduces anxiety and confusion around what cancer is, and it allows those myths to be addressed, and it actually makes the children feel included within their family. Oh, it really work. Shall I just press? There you go. Just press. So we also had a look around and we saw that the resources were a bit limited, there's books, there's pamphlets and whatnot, but actually there's something really that addressed family sort of interacting with each other and learning about the impact of cancer. We also spoke to lots of nurses, and as well as studies that have shown that nurses do feel like a lack of confidence of starting conversations with the parents who have children. They focus on what the patient needs in clinical terms. But also they felt like they didn't have any education or they didn't have any resources to signpost those patients to. And also, as I just said, children love talking about cancer. So we did a school programme and we ended up teaching over 1,000 children the science of cancer. And actually they were really curious, and those were ones that have been bereaved themselves or were very directly, had an impact on them, and they didn't want much, they just wanted to talk about it. So we designed this workshop, and the aims was to help families improve their communication around cancer. It was also to increase their understanding of what cancer is and the treatments that they might be having, which would then improve their understanding of what the impact it might have on their on their family life. and then altogether that would improve their psychological well-being. So we also wanted to give nurses the sort of resources or an intervention that they could signpost their patients to. So with the lovely Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust, we developed, together with the lead cancer nurse, Julie Baker, if anyone knows her, big shout out to Julie, the Macmillan Psychological Support Team that were quite a new team, as well as parents, carers and grandparents, so anyone that was significant, had children in their lives. So we wanted it to be 2 hours. We wanted to have the ability to ask 20 families to come along. We wanted it to be on the hospital site and within the school holidays. We sort of changed that a little bit to Saturdays because sometimes people are away on holidays. We delivered it myself and one of my colleagues who was an ex-primary teacher, so that was really good when she was calling people in. She had a good teacher voice. A couple of cancer nurses, in case there was any clinical questions that we felt that we needed to signpost to, and a couple of the psychological support team as well. So we piloted this whole thing to the cancer nurses within the trust, largely because we wanted to make sure that we could sort of basically covered all the areas that they felt that needed work on, and also so they understood what they were going to be referring their patients to. So we did a lot of promotion, lovely bright posters and leaflets around the hospital. It's quite wordy these were, but we found that we needed to explain what the parents and the people were coming, what was going to happen, because there was a lot of fear obviously around dropping their children into this workshop without them understanding what was going to be said. And we did it to social media, some GP surgeries and community spaces like this, but the majority of patients were invited by their own CNSs and by the psychological support staff. So we had a short show, we had 6 activity stations, so we split up families at the activity station, so they did like a carousel, and we had a Q&A and evaluation session at the end. So the short show was designed to sort of be a bit like, da! We had songs, and we had big massive puppets, and we had Mavis there, and her organs come out, and really it was designed to get the children engaged, but actually what we found is that the adults started to relax, and they were the ones going, oh, this is okay, this is going to be all right, we're not going to talk about death and what we will do, but it's going to be done in a safe space. And obviously tea, cakes, coffee and whatnot were provided. So the activity station is just broken down quickly. We focused on chemotherapy, and of course these patients had different types of cancer, in their pathways as well, so we had to be vaguely sort of generic in what we were offering in terms of information. So it was how do they work, how they're administered, why do side effects occur, and what are target therapies. And these were all done really with interactive tools, so kids and adults could really get in there and kind of be physical and on hands with the activities. We looked at the common side effects, hair loss, fatigue, taste changes, neuropathy and chemo brain, and how they can affect people. So, for example, the toothbrush there was one normal toothbrush and one normal toothpaste, the weight-wise, and then we filled the other 2 with lead. So the understanding is and this came from a patient that said, when it's so difficult, the fatigue to clean your teeth. So we wanted for the carers and the children to understand and have empathy around, the simple thing of doing the teeth was like a struggle for people. And this was really, we saw the impact really with the carers and the patients going, see, this is what it's like. And then the surgery, everyone loved this. You could get all dressed up, and so all the kids and all the adults as well. You could be oncologists, you could be a pathologist, you could do whatever. They all had a role, and the idea was to understand there are lots of people there caring for the person with cancer, but also what they did and how important those roles were. And then we did radiotherapy. We had these lovely 3D printed hands with a glowing tumour, and you zap them, and then the little screen told you what percentage you zap them, and the kids loved that, and a lot of the men did. I'm sorry, I don't want to be gender biased, but and then they could have tattoos done, and it was all understanding of why this was happening. We looked at the blood, they can make up their bloods, and we talked about why blood testing is important and what's inside blood, and they can make them up with marshmallows, Rice Krispies, and Skittles. And then we obviously talked about organists, and so there was a game involved in there. The children were given a passport around their neck, and they had a little lanyard with Lewisham and Greenwich because we wanted them to be a part of the actual, the kind of system. And so each of these bits of the passport related to one of the activity stations so they could remember and take home. We also gave goodie bags with loads of other different types of resources. So the impact, we did feedback, so we gave them an evaluation form at the beginning and at the end, and so we had certain things which I haven't recorded in this particular presentation, but they could circle how they were feeling beforehand and then they could circle how they were feeling at the end. But for nurses, 100% of them said that they would be very confident to signpost their patients, and they did feel like it would definitely improve communication around cancer within the family, reduce their fear and improve the understanding. Bit of feedback there. And then parents also said improve their confidence talking to children about their cancer. They kind of understood sort of how age appropriate and how actually children can understand. It's done quite creatively. They are able to understand quite complex topics. And they did feel like their children benefit from being there. So yeah, all of these bits of feedback really talked about how it was interactive and engaging, and that's the way that the families learned. All the children increased their understanding about cancer, increased their levels of empathy towards their parents, and they would describe their workshop as fun, and they would recommend it to their friends. So we kind of think this project was special because it sort of facilitated whole family learning, which I don't think is out there much. It created empathy and understanding within the family unit. And often, sometimes, like the grandmas will be holding the little babes in arms, but over there, and they had that distance and they didn't want to engage. But slowly, after time, they would creep over and they were right in there and stuff. So actually, it was like different generations that benefited from it. It made cancer feel less stigmatized and less fearful. It gave children a platform to ask questions, and this is when we started to design this, we didn't really think this through, but actually this was a really prominent thing, was actually helping adults to see their own children become relaxed and really engaged and ask the questions, and really quite, intelligent, but like kind of direct questions, and seeing it and being led by them, and then the adults would then slowly relax and then actually ask questions that they probably had thought of but felt a bit silly and actually really wanted to know the answer. So then it became a big conversations. The fact that it was delivered in hospitals was quite nice for some children. They wanted to know where their parents were treated. It wouldn't be in the clinical rooms, but it was on the site, and they were able to meet some of the nurses. Diffuses the adult anxiety, I think, because the adults were being led by their children who were having fun and mucking about and asking good questions. So the future, so we got from that, we got some money from the National Lottery to be able to, or it's called Community Fund now as well, to deliver some more workshops, which we have done. The last one is in November the 16th. Anyone fancies? Is at Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Greenwich, open to anyone who want to come along. One of our challenges was to encourage families from diverse backgrounds who wouldn't necessarily seek support. Still a challenge. We've now gone through schools, so it's promoted through schools to try and go through that way. We wanted to basically sustain delivery. This is a great thing, but it's very resource heavy, and obviously NHS doesn't have the money, so how are we going to sort of work that through? How to embed it in the cancer support pathways, and that's really getting the staff on board, and developing new activities and topics, which I don't think nothing's come back around that, but we're always open to new ideas. So yeah, the takeaway thing is to how do we package this up, because it was such a special, you could see the impact immediately, and all the staff could see that. How do we package that up into something that can be put into every trust in an easy, accessible way? Is that okay?
Perfect.